start, ensure you have all the parts listed in the instruction manual. Firstly, peel the film from the floor protecting pads, then stick one in each corner of the base. Next, screw the tube to the base in the position shown. Use screws labelled K and ensure all are fully tightened. Radius is supplied with 2 shelves, but you have the choice to fit them both, just one, or without shelves. If you do not require shelves, please skip to stage 6. To fit a shelf, carefully slide the shelf frame down the tube with the tabs facing upwards as shown. Secure this tightly in place using screws labelled L. Next, remove the backing film from the shelf buffers and stick them into position as shown. Carefully slide the glass shelf down the tube, followed by the shelf collar, finishing the shelf assembly. To add another shelf, please repeat stages 3 and 4. Now, firmly push the swivel socket into position, ensuring the groove and tab connect at the back as shown. Firmly push the swivel bracket support fully into the swivel socket. To do this, repeatedly turn the part from left to right whilst pushing down. Ensure the back pin is engaged with the curved groove. Next, fit the swivel bracket plate into position shown using nuts and bolts labelled L and N. Push the cable hole rings into position as shown. Now fit the bracket arms to the back of your television screen as shown. Select suitable screws from the kit provided and use spacers if required. Carefully hook the television onto the stand, ensuring the bracket arms are connected to the bracket plate. The left and right bracket arms have 2 sets of hooks, allowing the TV to be set at 2 different heights. Next, secure the TV in position by inserting screws M. Finally, feed the cables through the tube, and the build is complete.